This is a brand new 2013 Nissan Juke. Its top features include a turbocharger, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, front fog lights, rear impact crumple zones, a rear window defroster, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.